In this video, we'll go over whether or not Innago Property Management is legit or a scam. So Innago is a free cloud-based property management platform designed for landlords and property management. Unlike many competitors, Innago is known for being simple and easy to use, making it a great option for those managing just a few units or even larger portfolio of properties. So Innago is a very interesting platform when it comes to property management. They offer most of their key features for free, which is a big bonus when it comes to their competitors like AppFolio and Buildium. Unlike their competitors though, they don't offer that much features, but it's still very powerful if you are a beginner to property investment or management. As I said before, Innago is a free landlord, but it isn't technically free for your tenants. Your tenants will pay for your applications and payment processing every single month. So if we take a look at the Trustpilot from Innago, you can see that they have a 4.8 stars with only a 2% one-star review. If we read the reviews, we can quickly get the idea of how good Innago actually is. But something that quickly catch my eyes is that most of these 5-star comments profiles is not verified and has one review, which could indicate some form of botting reviews. But when it comes to the 1 stars, we can take a look at that. We can read the most of these are actually not landlords, but tenants who have written these reviews. And most of the reviews are people who have gotten angry at the landlord and made it Innago's fault somehow. We can also take a quick look on Reddit, where we can see not bots, and most of these comments that people have written are very good towards Innago. So is Innago a scam? Personally, I'll not say they're a scam. They seem very good for landlords who wants affordability and something that just does the job. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!